You can keep your trucks running smoothly by replacing the wheel end bearings using the manufacturer's recommended schedule. In this video, you'll see how to install a set-right preset bearing. During this video, pay special attention to all warnings and cautions to help protect yourself, fellow maintenance professionals, customers, and your equipment. Pre-adjusted bearings have a factory-installed spacer between the inner and outer bearings to control the clearance between races and rollers. Some mechanics think this spacer is optional and throw it away. You should install the new spacer to get the best performance and longest life from your new bearing. Let's look at how to install a two-nut system on a pre-adjusted hub. For drive and trailer hubs, install this bearing spacer, making sure the small end of the spacer is facing the outboard side of the hub. If you're installing a new bearing, use a new spacer. Wear on the old one could change its dimensions, resulting in incorrect bearing end play adjustment. Install the outer bearing and loosely install the inner spindle nut to keep the hub on the spindle. Torque the inner spindle nut to 300 foot-pounds while rotating the hub. Do not back off the spindle nut. Install the lock washer, engaging the slot in the spindle and dowel pin on the adjusting nut. If you can't engage the locking system, try removing, flipping, and reinstalling the locking device. If that doesn't work, advance the nut slightly until you can engage the locking system. Install the jam nut and torque the nut to 200 foot-pounds. I'm Rick Dahman. This has been a Timken Tricks of the Trade video helping you build your service knowledge. Thanks for watching.